Good morning children, how are you? Welcome once again to the new online class of Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. So far you have been learning about multiplication, isn't it? I hope you are very thorough with your multiplication tables now. So today we are going to learn a new topic. You also celebrate birthday parties at home, isn't it? When you celebrate birthdays, you need a lot of things to celebrate it, and a lot of money also will be spent on it, isn't it? So, to arrange all the things, you need to know how much you have to spend approximately. Not the correct amount, approximate amount. So, we can do this or calculate this amount by estimating products. For example, I want to order food for 175 people who are coming for the party, and the cost of food for one person is 120 rupees. So I need to know how much amount or how much approximate amount I have to spend for food. So estimating products will help you to find the approximate amount of money to be spent. Okay, so we are going to learn now how to estimate the product of numbers. For estimating products, first we have to round the numbers. Now we have two numbers, 36 and 42, and we have to find the estimated product. So first let us round the numbers. The number 36 is rounded to the nearest tens. Okay, so the digit in one's place is 6, isn't it? So the number should be rounded up or down. You already know that when a digit in that one's place is more than 5, then you have to round the number up. So the number 36 is rounded up to 40. Is rounded up to 40. Now, next number is 42. Now, look at the digit in the ones place. It is 2 and it is less than 5. So, the number should be rounded down. Okay? So, the number should be rounded down, and it is rounded to 40. Okay. Now, the estimated product is equal to 40 into 40. Yes? What is 40 into 40? See, you are multiplying 40 with the multiple of 10, isn't it? So, multiply 40 into 4. That is equal to 160. And put a 0 to the right, and you get the answer as 1600. So, the estimated product of 36 and 42 is 1600. Now, let us compare this to the actual product. Okay? So, let us find out what is the actual product. We have to find out the actual product. The actual product is the multiplication of the number 36 with 42. So, let us go for the multiplication. We have to multiply 36 with the digit 2. So, 2 into 6 will give you 12. 2 into 3 will give you 6, and 6 plus 1 will give you 7. Now, we have to multiply 36 with 4 in the second step. So, 4 is in the tens place, and so you have to place a 0 to the ones place. Now, 4 into 6 is 24. 4, and 2 is carried over to the tens place. You can cancel the other number, otherwise you will be confused. So, now multiply 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 will give you 14. Now add the products. You get the answer as 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And you have the answer as 1512. Now children, you can see the estimated product is 1600 and the actual product is 1512. So we can see that the estimated product and the actual product are almost the same. So estimation of products will help us a lot to calculate the expenditure or whatever it is. Okay? Now let us calculate how much money I am going to spend for the food item in the birthday party. Okay? So you are going to find out the estimated product of the number 175 and 120. Now here, as it is a 3-digit number, we can round the numbers to the nearest hundreds. Okay? So let us round the number 175 first. It is rounded to 200. Why? Do you remember? Yes. First look at the digit in the tens place. The digit in the tens place is 7 and it is more than 5. When it is more than 5, then we have to round it up. We have to round the number up. So 175 is rounded up to 200 and 120 is rounded up or down? Yes, down, because the digit in the tens place is 2 and it is less than 5. So it is rounded down. Now let us find out the estimated product numbers. So estimated product is equal to 200 into 100, which is equal to 200 into 1 is 200, and then put 2 zeros to the right. So you get the answer as 20,000. So the estimated product or the estimated amount I have to spend for the food for a birthday party is 20,000. Now let me find out what is the actual product. So the actual product is multiplying the number 175 with 120. You get the answer as 21,000. You can see that both the answers are almost the same. This is approximately the same. So in this way, we can estimate product of numbers. Children, I hope you have understood. Children, now you have learned how to estimate the products by rounding them to the nearest tens and rounding to the nearest hundreds also. But children, there are certain conditions where the estimation will not work very well, or you will find a very much difference between the actual product and the estimated product. For example, here I am multiplying the number 250 with 350. So, first to find the estimated product, I will round up the number 250. 250 is rounded up because the digit in the tens place is 5. So, it is rounded up to 300 and the number 350 is also rounded up to 400 as the digit in tens place is 5. So, when you find the estimated product, you multiply 300 with 400 and you get the answer as 1,20,000. Now, let us see the actual product. Actual product is the multiplication of 250 with 300. You get the answer as 87,500. But see the difference, children. Here it is 1,20,000 and here it is 87,500. So there is a lot of difference between the estimated product and actual product. So what will you do for this? We will round one number up and other number down. For example, let us round the number 250 down. Okay? Let us round the number 250 to 200 down. Okay, and let us keep the other number the same, that is rounding upward. Now let us find the estimated product. Estimated product now will be equal to 200 into 400. Into 4 is 800 and put 2 zeros to the right. Now we got the answer as 80,000. Now do you see the difference between the actual product and estimated product? They are almost the same, isn't it? There are certain conditions where you have to round one number up and the other number down. And it is mostly seen when you have the digit in the tens place as 5. So go to the YouTube video which I have attached in the session. Practice more problems in estimation and try to work out all the exercise in the textbook. Okay, see you next time. Till then, goodbye.